Okay, hey guys, George Pink here, and today we are making a tier list video on my favorite Pokemon returning in the Crown Tundra. Okay, first off we have Nidoqueen. Yeah, Nidoqueen. No, not really cool. Nidoking though, yeah, Nidoking's really cool. Jinx, no. Omastar. Let's see here. Yeah, Omastar pretty cool. Kabutops. Yeah, I like Kabutops. Aerodactyl though, yes. He goes here. Articuno, let's see. Yeah, Articuno's cool. Zapdos, also here. Yeah, Moltres, yeah. A tier. Dragonite, yes. Crobat. Let's see here. No, that's Raikou. Okay, yeah, Raikou go here. Crobat. Yeah, Crobat's pretty cool. Entei. Yeah, let's save the legendary Pokemon for later here. Sceptile, yeah, I really like Sceptile more than Entei. Swampert, yeah, Swampert's really cool. Blaziken. Blaziken's okay. Aggron. Yeah, not really. Altaria. No, not really. Cradily. No. Armaldo, though. Yeah, Armaldo's pretty cool. Absol. Yeah, Absol B tier here. Relicanth. Okay, the Stonefish. Not really. Walrein is yes. Salamence also yes. Metagross. Yeah, Metagross is really cool. Spiritomb. Yeah, why not? Electivire. Yeah, pretty cool. Magmotor, yeah. Let's see. Audino, no. Cryogonal, no. No. Okay. Garchomp is yes. Tyrantrum, yeah. Let's see here. Aurorus, yeah. Carbink, no. Okay, now let's see here. Next is all the legendary Pokemon. Raikou. Entei, I'm sorry. Yeah, Entei's pretty cool. Suicune, Lugia, yeah, Lugia's really cool. Oh, yeah, is pretty neat. Raikou, Rowdy Rock, yeah, I don't really like that. Regice, well, yes, dear, because that meme, yeah, which is cool. Registeel, yeah, Registeel's okay. Latios, yeah, Latios, no, Latios, this is Latios, yeah, Latios, I can't tell really. Yeah, Kyogre. Kyogre's really cool mon. Groudon, yeah, I really like Groudon. Rayquaza, yeah, it was my favorite legendary Pokemon since I was a kid, so, yeah. Garchomp needs to go over here. The Lake Trio, no. This is my opinion. So, Dialga. Dialga's pretty cool. Palkia, though, is really cool. So, Heatran. Regigigas. They really know the name that well, so. Giratina. Yeah, Giratina is really cool. Cresselia. And not really. Victini. Yeah, because I don't know when Game Freak will add Victini and Toidle. I don't know the name. I'm supposed to call it Toidle. Yeah, he's pretty cool. Oh yeah, Archeops. Yeah, Archeops is a really cool Pokemon, in my opinion. Tornadus. Yeah, he's pretty cool. Thundurus. Yeah, we could put on them. Tornadus. Landorus. Yeah, no, not really. Genesect. We don't have one of those. Xerneas. What's that? No, not really. Yveltal. Yeah, Yveltal's pretty cool. Zygarde, yeah. Zygarde's really cool. Diancie, still, I don't have one of those either. Those are pretty cool. Don't have a Volcanion either, but Volcanion is a really cool mon at the fire and water type. Tapu Koko. Yeah. Tapu Fini. No, that's Tapu. No. Okay, Tapu Bulu. Yeah, I like Tapu Bulu, but nice. Okay. Tapu Fini. Not really. Tapu Lele. No, not really. I'm not really a fan of the Tapus except for Tapu Koko. Nihilego. I don't really like this Ultra Beast. Buzzwole. Wait, whoa. Okay. Where to put Buzzwole? Yeah, Buzzwole is an A tier, my opinion. Pheromosa. He's like sexually attracted to like Z crystals. Circuitry. Let's see here. Circuitry is really cool. Celestelia. Kartana. Yeah, Kartana's cool. Guzzlord, yeah, yes. Guzzlord is really cool. And the shiny form, by the way, really awesome. Naganadel, yes. Stakataka, it's okay. And Blacephalon, wait, I don't know how to pronounce that. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you. Please subscribe.